Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 motorcycle backpack. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the SA212 motorcycle waterproof bags. Specifications. Brand name, as Refit. Item type, waterproof bag. Item weight, 1.9 kilograms. Special features, waterproof. Item width, 0 inch. Model name, FD00065. Item diameter, 0 inch. Main color, black. Size, single size only. Capacity, 36 liters to 58 liters. Item number 2 is motorcycle bag outdoor PVC dry sack bag. Specifications. Brand name, Moto. Item length, 0 inch. Material type, PVC tarpaulin/tow. Item type, back seat bags. Item weight, 0.3 kilograms. Special features, waterproof. Item width, 0 inch. Color, black, blue, yellow. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Raincoat motorcycle motocross rear seat bag. Specifications. Brand name, Ushio. Certification, SAE. Material, polyester. Function, foldable. Model number, MT21610. Is _customized, yes. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.